Chupa. Goma. Loren. Nagjoa. Perena. Mendoza.
Panalo na.
Mendoza. Banawa. Sian.
Okay, game 2 na po ng ating championship. Namang po ang legacy sa series.
Last touch by number 17, Mendoza. Number 18, pass to number 20. Number 20, Villena to number 77, Casar. Piring ng shot, it's good. Number 77, number 17, Nixie dribbling.
Sabrina.
Number 17, pass to number
Ban ka na dito,
14.
Ban.
It's good. 3 points by number 14, Mendoza. Number 20, Villena. Pass to number 77 again. To number 20. Big pass to number 30. It's good by number 30. Super. Number 17. 43. No good by number 77. Number 77 is dribbling. Looking for his teammates. Pass to number 20. To number 30. Big. Pass to number 20. 30 shoot. No good. Same ball. 14 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 30. Pass to number 20. 30 shoot. Is still by number 30. To number 77. Drive. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Drop pass to number 77. 14 seconds shot clock.
Tapon na ito.
Number 77. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 30. No good. Rebound by number 27. To number 17. Easy dribbling. Number 17. Take to shoot. Take to shoot. 8 seconds. Stop clock. Number 27. It's good by number 51. Sia. Number 20. Villena. Pass to number 77. Number 77, pass to number 30. Foul by number 30. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 17. To number 51, Piringer. No good, rebound by number 30. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Pass by number 14. Pass to number 10. North right drive. No good. Rebound by number 30. Left touch by number 30. White ball. Number 17, Mendoza. Easy dribbling. To number 4, Banawa. Shoot. Rebound by number 30. Jimenez to number 77. Passer. Yung for his teammates. 15 seconds at last. Number 20. Easy dribbling. Take the shoot. Number 18. 50 by number 51. Pass to kick. Number 17. And shoot by number 17. Mendoza. Number 77. Number 18. Drive. No, terima pa number 18 again. Drive. Foul.
Ay, ingat kayo dyan, ingat.
Number 4. Banawa. First personal foul, first team foul. Score is 7-4. Favor of white team. First try. By number 18. It's no good. Second try by number 18. No good again. Rebound by number 51. Pass to number 14. Come to the left. Number 14. To number 17. Looking for his teammate. 15 seconds shot clock. To number 51. To number 4. To number 14. 8 seconds shot clock. No good. Number 30, pass to number 20. Number 20, easy dribbling. To number 18, to number 10. Foul ball by number 10, Mohen. Score is 7-6. 1 point lead by white team. Number 4, Banawa drive. No good. Rebound by number 30. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Ready na po ang mga sasab. Number 77. Shoot. Substitution. Palit po. Pasok ang papasok. Labas na labas. Lumawak na po ang Team Legacy. 1 point lead. Number 17. To number 29. To number 17 for Drake. No good. Same ball. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 22, pass to number live ball. Number 26, pass to number 20. Number 20, easy dribbling. Pass to number 9, to number 3, back to number 20. To number 5, no good. Last touch ng block. Number 7. Easy dribbling by number 7. Number 7. Follow play. Number 22. To number 51. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 51 pass to number 17 Mendoza. 5 seconds shot clock. Number 17 na ulo pa number 5. Number 5 pass to number 10. To number 20. Villena. Number 3, pass to number 10. 10 seconds shot clock. No good. Rebound by number 29, pass to number 22. Mendoza. Looking for a teammate. Number 7, number 51. Number 7 for 3. No good. Short. Inbound the ball by number 26 to number 20. Easy dribbling. To number 3. Back to number 20. For 3. Number 20. 3 points. His score is 11-7. Favor of Team Legacy. Time remaining is 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Number 17 to number 51, Pirin North, pass to number 22. To number 7, Faith, drive, turn, foul by number 10. Number 10, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 17, no good. Second try. Second try by number 17. No good again. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Hinihintay ang makapren. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 26. To number 10. Dirimin na siya. It's good. By number 10. Gargara. Gargara. Brought to you by DNA Tiles. Number 7. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Number 5. Foul. Loose ball foul by number 5. Number 5, first personal foul, third team foul. Number 21, impact the ball. Pass to number 29, De Castro. De Castro. Pass to number 17. Number 17, free drop, no good. Rebound by number 22. Number 22, no good. Rebound by number 20. Number 3. Easy dribbling by number 3. To number 20. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 20 pass to number 5. To number 20. 8 seconds shot clock. Number 20. That's good. Score is 15-7. Time remains 1 minute and 21 seconds. Number 17. Looking for his teammates. 10 second shot clock. 8 second shot clock. 5. No good. 3. Shot clock violation. Time remains 1 minute and 12 seconds. Number 20, easy dribbling. Number 20, pass to number 10. Kissing by number 7. Number 21. Nagmamali. Pumasok. No good. Rebound by number 21 again. Shoot by number 21. Time remains 35 seconds. Number 20. PC dribbling, 15 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Number 26. Foul. By number 51. Number 51, first personal foul, second team foul. Double by number 20, to number 10. Number 10. No good. Rebound by number 29. Shot clock is out. Shot clock is out. 10 seconds. Foul. Plaza counter basket by number 17. Mendoza. Number 3. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. Third. Fourth foul. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Time remaining. 5. No good. And of the first quarter, lamang at Kimlegacy na tatlo. Makakatagla kaya sa series na ito at hit pa rin na mauwi ka lang na Dream Legacy ang ginto. Para sa naturan sa isang trophy. Sulit na sulit. Champoy. Back to the second quarter of the ball game. Down the ball by number 14, Mendoza. Mendoza, brothers to brothers. To number 4. To number 22. Number 22. To number 29 for 3. No, you do number 10. To number 20. To number 20. Number 20 open for 3. No good. Arriba para number 29. Number 22, right, block. Same ball. Shot clock is 11 seconds. 11 seconds shot clock. 11 seconds shot clock. Number 29 Gasto. Pass to number 27. No. Number 20. Number 77. Okay, good shot. That's good. 2 points by number 77. Oscar. Number 14. 3 points. Number 30. Number 18. Pass number 10. Open. Wow. 29. Number 29. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 20, wait, pass number 18, to number 10. Traveling violation by number 10. Number 14, Mendoza, to number 27.
Pati yung papawis.
To number 22, Mendoza, 10 seconds shot clock. No, diterima by number 77. Number 77 is more than it. Number 77. Pass number 18. Jumper. No good. Time out. Whiting. Score is 21-15. Favor of Team Legacy. Time remaining 7 minutes and 24 seconds. Back to the ball game. Down the ball by number 20. To number 4. To number 27. Shot. Delivery by number 4. To number 22. Number 22. Drive. Jump shots. That's good. 2 points. Number 20, pass to number 77. Takes a long No good. Kami pa naman ito. Drive. Side step. Good. No good. Recover by number 20. Number 20. Carrying the ball by number 20. Turnover. Everybody, pass number 29. Foul! Casa basket by number 30. Number 30, second personal foul. First team foul. Bolos free throw by number 29. It's good. Number 20. It's a dribbling. 30 to 20. Fake. Drive. Pass. Left. 10 seconds. Shot clock. It's good. 2 points. Perimeter. Perimeter. Shot. Number 22. Look at the teammates. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 22. That's good. 3 points by number 22. Number 19. Pass to number 10. Great. Pass forward. Number 29. No good. Last touch. Number 29. Lexi ball. Number 77. No good. Number 22. No good again. Number 20. Pass to number 18. Lajora. Pass to number 10. That's good. What a pass. Substitution. Mandatory substitution. Pasok, papasok. Labas ng lalabas. 2-point lead ng Team Legacy.
Shoutout kay Kas Photography. Ang paldo. Ang bayan. Ang paldo ka.
Number 17.
Ilan to, pero?
14. Back to number 17. Quick. Side step. To number 27. Notice. Give up to number 5. To number 3. Pass break. To number 77. It's good to number 77. Number 17 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 5. Pass to number 3. Number 77. To number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 5. No good. Rebound by number 5 again. To number 14. All along. 2 points. Score is 27-25. 2-point lead. Team Legacy. Number 77. Jump shot. No, hindi pa ba number 10? Foul by number 7. Number 7. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 3 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 51. Big ball. White ball. to number 17. To number 51. Drop pass. To number 14. To number 7. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 14, Mendoza. Mendoza. Teardrop, no good. Foul by number 5. Number 5. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Two shots by number 27. Unang buslok, no good. Pangalawang buslok. It's good. Number 3. To number 77. Right. Shot. It's good. 2 points by number 77. Favorite shot. Number 17. 4-3. Yeah. Recover by number 9. Pass to number 77. Number 77. 5. No. 5 by number 7. Number 7. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots. Down lang pala, down lang. Down. Number 10. Pumapasok si number 10. Veteran South Legacy. Pass to number 5. For 3. Number 5. 3 points. Number 7. Number 7 looking for a teammates. Number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 27. 1. Ikaw lang number 10. Number 77. Drive. Bump. No good. Number 27. To number 14. To number 17. 10 seconds shot. Foul. Foul by number 3. Number 3. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Time remaining is 45 seconds. 10 seconds. Number 17. 10 to shoot. Drop to number 7. Back to number 17. For 3. It's good. Picking out. Number 17. 3 points. Number 3. 21 seconds. 10 to shoot. To number 3. Pick. Pass number 10. Out. Fires. Forward. Forward to number 10. Number 10. Foul. Shot clock is off. Number 27, first personal foul, first team foul, third team foul.
Go!
Wala na, wala na.
At ito po ang ating second up. And that's that to the ball game. Legacy winning by 4 points, 33-29. Okay, wala pa tayong pagkatawag sa substitution. Dire-diretso lang.
Amin o.
Dire-diretso lang.
Init. Init.
Sinabi ko Soy. Sinabi ko nagkakasaan ang araw. 14 seconds na dahil ang suklo. Ay ko. Sinabi ko Soy. No good. Gawin na pinaya. Siya sumalaksak. No good. Lagi ko yung sinabi ko Soy. Joma. Pinalasan ko sinabi ko Soy. Tumeke. Tumigay na sa papasahan. Pass na tuwigi. Nabuhay ko siya ng sanan. Nagkaroon papasahan. Pinasa sa corner. Open the press. Boom! 3 points! Para kay Isidero Isoy! Mendoza ngayon. Balik! Muntik na maagaw. Mendoza, pull-up jumper. Double down on the Castro. Del Castro, 2 points. Makakagad ang laban. 36-31. Oy, ano people? Nasusunod na sila sa bola. Magandang papasahan. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nagpapalalik. Yes, sir. Diretso. Nakagawa ni Maron. Si Maron na mabilis. Maron diretso. Tumalo. 2 points. Napaka-bigsit. Jamaya sa ikatay. Number 20, pass number 30 sa corner. Tuloy-tuloy na number 3 points! Back-to-back 3 points para kay Isidero Isoy! Okay. Napakamulat, napakainit na laban. Ang ganda ng pasa. 2 points para kay Castro. Grabe. Grabe! Napakagandang yung bago natin sa kita. Bilena! Si Bilena naman sumubok! Bobo! Rebound ng Garcia! Pastor Mendoza! Mendoza naman! No good! Sayang na yun! Kung saan natin sa Dinas, ay Garcia sumalaksak! Bumagka! Foul! Foul number 4! Balawa, second personal foul! First foul! Ruben goes para kay Jackson the Master. Tum. Parang kailangan ba? Parang narinig ko ito ng puso mo eh. Free throw violation. One more. Nakatatlong free throw. Iyon! Nakabukas! Siyan! Drop pass! Nahuli! Lasing ko sa episode! Pinasakay na ready! Napagdating ngayon! Tatlo sa tatlo! Jowa! Sumaksak! Nakakuha ng foul! Foul number 22! Number 22, first personal foul! Second, team foul!
Init. Hindi naman, ang sarap.
25-40 ang score! Mga lima ang Fort Legends! Pinasay Jester! 10 seconds sa Aaron Maron! Maron, lilipat! Maron,
Sa
lilipat!
kapal niya, no? Sa kapal. Oh.
Save ball!
Hawakan. Oh. Akin.
Napakagandang laban! Siyan! Sumalaksak! Kick out pass sa corner! Mendoza over 3! Ilabas! Dexter pinasa kay Joma! Pasok! Labang! Joma yun! Nagantay na ng pick! Sumalaksak si Joma! One, two, good! Naribang din ang Perena! Tapos sa isa! Maron yun, nag-aantay ng kampe. Maron, pinasa ng Mendoza, number over 3. Susunod mo na, shoot! Nakakuha na Castro. Nakagaw ni Lennon. Number 18. Number 20. Number 20 sumaksak. Tumapas ka na rin. Ito ang foul. Siyan. Second personal foul, third team foul. First throw, Dawood. Dapat substitute. Mendoza. 14 seconds to shoot. Mendoza. Hindi nakakaroon na foul. Foul number 17. Warning for penalty. Ang team Perena. Mendoza, first personal foul. Passer. Open the ball, dapat si Jester. Foul number 4. Banawa, third personal foul. Penalty. John, bibigis started. John, bibigis screen. Pick and roll, John. Pinasa ay siya. Siya Jumper. 2 points. Grabe, ang pakashoot naman yun, sir. Oops. Counted. Wire point outlet number 4. Injury. Tato. Wait. Nadulas sakit. Bonus dito.
Hindi
No.
na ako sinig, hindi na ako nakatingin.
Dahil, ang ganda naman ang pula. Dahil, 2 points. Pakis, bila 2 points. Mendoza. Gogo. Kasya. Inatay ang kape. Dan beberapa sentase. Pinasa ay Yeser. Yeser ang segundo. Gogo. Rebound ng Besina. Pasok Dan. Dan. Sayang. Tatlo. Sorry, tatlo. Time out. Siya support ba? Support? May support eh. Siya ngayon. Siya Tumres. Siya Lobo. Rebound na pala Kasa. Kasa ngayon. Tunaras. Nasa ka ng pala ng Jomba. Pinasa kay Herso. Kahuli. Foul. A pass deflected. Same ball. Same ball sa hirap. 10 seconds to shoot. Kasa. Balaksak. Kumunat. Kasa. 2 points. Grabe mo yan. Hindi na ng bird. Forty-nine, 37 on the score. Grabe ni Joma. Joma. Babasa siya, magkalabangan. Body mo, Hikiwan. Joma. Pinasayang sa umat. Joma. Joma naman nagagante. Sabi mo, paano dito para kayo ng basa? Pas-break-pas kayo ng basa. Umikot, di na kayo. Foul with Dan. First team foul.
Wala doon, pre.
Dan, third personal foul. Tatlo.
Alam mo, pre, dislocated. Dislocated.
Last 25 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 17. No goal, number 20. Number 20. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And at the third quarter, score is 51-42. Favor of Team Legacy.
Puti yata. Diyan sama.
Back to the final quarter of the ball game. Sino kaya? Makatap lang kaya sa series? O magcha-champion na po ang Team Legacy.
Grabe pause ko, parang naglaro na.
Right goal, right
Maliit
goal.
naman eh. Apo eh.
Hindi na po magkakaalaman sa last quarter na ito. Number 21, drive. Plus a foul by number 18. Number 18, first personal foul. First team foul. Unang gusto, pasok. Pangalawang gusto, pasok ulit. 51-44, ang ating score. Number 5. Number 5. For number 18. Lanjoran. Pass to number 77. Bomb. Block. Number 5. Nice na by number 5. 2 points by number 5. Number 23. Move. Recover by number 14. Pass to number 22. Drive. Let's go. Number 14 still, but no good. Number 20. Tracy Griffin. Number 20. Push. Play by number 17. Foul by number 77. Number 77. First personal foul. Second team foul. Score is 53-46. Lamang magawa ang mga natin. At number 20. Taras. Number 29. Di Castro. Drive. Turnover. Black ball. Number 5. Pass to number 20. To number 18. Foul by number 29. Number 29, second personal foul. First team foul. Number 77. Number 77. Pass by number 22. To number 18. Tumikot. Nolug. Bola. Number 49 bola. Number 14. Pass to number 17. Foul. Foul by number 18. Number 18. Second personal foul. Third team foul. First foul by number 17. No good. Number 17. It's good. Substitution. Number 13. Number 13. Number 20. To number 30. To number 77. Still developing the foul. And number 77, second personal foul. Fourth team foul. Substitution. Fourth team foul. Number 7. Looking for his teammates, number 7. Number 7 setting a play for number 17. Drive, it's good by number 17. The score is 53-49, 4-point lead by Team Legacy. Number 20. Number 18. 8 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Shot clock violation. Substitution alert. Number 10, number 10 out, number 50. Number 51. Still recovered by number 51. Number 51. Still number 7. Recovered by number 7. Pass number 51. No good. Recovered by number 18. To number 77. To number 20. Number 20. To number 77. 2 points. What a nice play by Team Legacy. 55-49. Number 14. To number 51. It's good to number 51. 2 points. Number 20 to number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Drive. Still by number 14. Number 14 to number 20. Number 29. To number 17. Pass to number 29. Bob. No good to number 10. To number 77. Number 77 to number 34. Good. No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14 Mendoza. To number 17. Number 17 looking for his teammates. 10 to shoot. Number 74 3. No good. Rebound by number 19. To number 20. Foul. Timeout. Team Legacy. dalawang timeout pa kayo. 4 teams, dalawang timeout pa kayo. Time remaining is 5 minutes and 21 seconds. 55. 14 seconds shot lang. 14 seconds shot lang. Number 77. 10 shoot. Number 77. Turnover. Number 22. Looking for his teammates. Number 22. Number 51. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 51. Number 51. 2 points. The score is 55-53. 2 points in by Team Legacy. Number 10. To number 10. Number 10 to number 13 for Lupe. Nelu. To number 20. Number 20 drive. Pass to number 77. Perimeter outside. To number 10. Down. Foul by number 17. Number 17, second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 77, number 10. To number 77, perimeter outside. And shoot by number 77. Then number 17. PC dribbling. Surrounded by his teammates. Number 17 to number 22. Mendoza. Drive. No good. Foul. By number 10. Pushing foul. Number 10. Warning for penalty. Tiga, apat lang. Penalty. Penalty. Penalty for Team Legacy.
Nag-warming na kanina eh. Tama, penalty.
Penalty. First foul is good. Second try by number 29. Let's go. Substitution right. Substitution right. Number 30. Pass number 10. Number 10. Quick. Pass. Good. Foul. Foul by number 51. Number 51, third personal foul, 14 foul. Warning for penalty up to there. Aking pangalawang boy, penalty na. 14 seconds at nakalang po tayo. Number 77 to number 10. To number... Illegal screening by number 10. Number 10. Third personal foul. Itinama lang po, itinama. May nakasulat po dito. Number 17. For 3. Number 17. 3 points. Lamang na po. Ng isa ang mga nakapula. Number 30. Number 18. Number 18. Pasa number 77. Number 30. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 17. Number 14. Black ball, black ball. Score is 58-57. Number 77. Number 7. Vergara, bars, hold. Number 10, Vergara. Number 51. Number 78. Number 17. 1 point din po ng Team Legacy. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 21. 2 points good. Catch Taylor. 16-51. Number 20. Para sa number 10, pasarapan na rin number 77. Favorite shot. That's good. Catch Taylor. 61-60. Laban Team Legacy. Time is 1 minute and 44 seconds. Number 17. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 27. It's good. Change Taylor. 62-61. Lamang po ang puti. Number 30 to number 10. Number 10. Drive. Fifteen Taylor. 63-62. Time is 8 seconds violation. 1 minute and 9 seconds. One minute and 9 seconds.
Parang naman, excited
Black.
violation.
1 minute and 9 seconds. Penalty na po mga kaibigan. Warning for penalty ang mga nakaputi. Number 18. To number 30. Number 30. To number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Drive. Back. Down. Para number 51. Number 51. Warning. Goal foul down. Penalty. Both teams score penalty na. Time naman is 55 seconds. Last 55 seconds. 55 seconds. Time remaining. 2 shots. 2 shots by number 10. 55 seconds. Time remaining. Ulang gusto. Supply. Pangalan gusto.
Nakahabol pa Greta. Tamba kanina yung Greta. Nakahabol.
20 seconds. 45 seconds. Number 17. Obat for Greta. No, dito pa lang natin. Number 18 to number 10 to number 20. 28 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. Brought to you by KMA Prize. 67-62 ang ating score. Both teams, penalty. Last 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 5-point lead. Team Legacy. 5-point lead. Both teams, penalty. One team may isa pang timeout. Black sa pang timeout. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock tayo. Dalawang timeout ang Team Legacy, isa sa mga nakabote. Wow! Penalty! 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 67-62. First try! No good. Last try. Second try by number 17 Mendoza. No good by number 10. Foul by number 27. Number 27. Personal foul. Penalty. First try by number 10. No good. Ito pa yung timeout. May isa pa yung timeout. Number 10. Last try by number 10. That's good. Time. Right. 19 seconds. Time remaining. 68-62. Labang ang Team Legacy. Nineteen seconds. More than seconds shot clock pa rin. Number 14 for 3. Foul! Foul! 3 free throws. 2 free throws lang. Down tayo, down. 2 free throws. Two free throws lang po. 2 free throws. First try. It's good. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. First try is good. Last second try. Second try by number 22. 14, number 14. pag-shoot. Number 10, let's go. Timeout, Team Legacy. May isa pa ang timeout. Team Legacy, may isa pa ang timeout. Score is 68-64. 4-point lead ng Team Legacy. 17 seconds. Last 17 seconds.
Tatagal!
Last 17 seconds. Still, nakikapit. Turnover. Last 11 seconds. Shot clock is up. Shot clock is up. Number 77. Foul. Foul by number 27. Number 27, second personal foul. Penalty. Wala na po kayong timeout. Team Legacy, may isang timeout pa kayo. Team Legacy. Not counted. Second try. Let's go. Number 51. To number 17. Number 17. To number 14. 3. 5 for the 3. Good. Yeah. Nice hit, Dawkins. Champion, Team Legacy sa ating Season 1. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, mga kuya, sa pagsali. At ating first runner-up, Kim Perana.